What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and you already know what time it is. Tipsy talk. Alright people, finally got around to cleaning my yard. Let me show y'all right quick. Yes indeedy. Did a little spreading action, put a little fertilizer down, little late seed. I don't really, before I started my business, I used to seed my yard when I was supposed to regularly. Ever since I got real busy, my yard then hit the back burner. So I need to get better with that, because my yard is an example of my work, I guess. But anywho, what's been going on with me? Mulch. Mulch, and I think I'm gonna start cutting tomorrow. Super excited. Which today is Tuesday, so tomorrow for y'all will be the day before. When y'all see this on Thursday, you get what I'm saying. But anywho, yeah, I went out walking with Emmy and Rocky this morning, and I was noticing that a few people out there had cut their yards, but a lot of people's yards needed to be cut. These weeds are starting to wiggle their way out the ground. The grass is starting to grow. Yards need to be cut. So that's what made me come back home. One, get my yard in order, because I knew once I start mowing, I'm not gonna have as much time to maintain my yard. Two, like I think at the beginning of this week it's supposed to be like warm, cool, but by the Thursday and Friday it's supposed to be 80s or something like that. So with that being said, by the weekend the grass is gonna be booming. I know next week, if it stays decent 60 and above, next week yards is gonna be booming. So I usually wait until April to start cutting, but I said I might as well go ahead and start rolling now. It's kind of perfect because this will be 2 weeks before. I had started my schedule on the first week of April, so now this will just be adding an extra 2 weeks, which is good for me. But it lines up perfectly. 2 weeks, boom, 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 and then I just roll into my regular schedule. So that's what's been going on. I've been mulching. Y'all know how much I hate mulch. Let me take a drink of that. Y'all know how much I hate mulch. It's just so, mulch is so back-breaking. It's a necessity with a lawn care business, but it's just so back-breaking. I just hate it, because my thing is I plan to do this for as long as possible, and if I'm gonna be doing mulch, my lawn care career is gonna be short-lived, because I'm gonna be laid up in a bed somewhere with a bad back. I already have a bad back, anywho. But yeah, so I just finished sharpening blades. Let me show y'all that. This American this all-American blade sharpener here, which is once I got the hang of it, it was pretty awesome. Here's the blades I sharpened. These are some blades for my Mustang, and these are for my Gravely. Let me show y'all what the blade look like. Let me see if I can get that to focus, man. Tell them to holler at me, man. There we go. I was thinking, man, Shout out to my man Brett with 360 yard works that gave me this. lovely contraption. He said, I forgot why he gave it to me, but he ordered it. Something happened with his order, and they let him keep it, so he gave it to me. And when I first got it, I didn't like it because if y'all see, you know, I got the top Sharpen. I use, let me go over here and sit down. Oh, buddy. I have for years, probably until even last year I was using this. I've used this little contraption here, and I love it because this is a blade. This is a blade I haven't sharpened right here. So this bad boy, I like to sharpen not only the front side, but I like to sharpen the back side. I know a lot of people like, oh, you sharpen the back side. People try to sharpen it the front down, and I think what happens is that's how you end up taking too much. There's a freaking bumblebee in here. Bumblebee tuna. Whoa. They don't sting, so anyhow. Yeah, you sharpen too much of the top down, you end up taking too much off. So what I do, I go across the top a few times, then I go across the bottom edge a few times. I don't try to make the bottom like as with an angle like that, but I just take a little bit off the edge of the bottom, just enough to get a point, like a knife. And one thing that somebody told me, you don't want to get it too sharp, because if you get it too sharp, like a switchblade or something, the edge will fold over. So you just want to get it just sharp enough that it'll cut some grass. But anyway, I figured out how to sharpen the back with that bad boy. When I first got it, I didn't like it because I only knew how to sharpen the top. Then I figured out how to flip it over and sharpen it back. So I might make a video. Let me know if y'all want me to. Leave in the comments on how to use that bad boy. And now that I know how to use it, oh my gosh, that bumblebee is annoying me right now, bro. That thing is so loud, bro. Where is it at? You lucky I don't got no bug spray in here, bro. Oh gosh. Anyhow, now that I've figured out how to oh my gosh. Now that I figure out how to use it, I can sharpen blades in like one blade, both sides, literally like 5 minutes, bro. 5 minutes. It's not that strenuous because I'm using a power tool. It's freaking awesome, bro. And so, you know, it'll take me, 30 minutes or 30 minutes to 40 to an hour, come out, sharpen all my blades, have a whole set of blades ready to go. And then I have my there you go, my Jungle Gym Jungle Jack, which is freaking awesome, with my impact gun. It makes it so easy to change blades. I'm actually about to change the blades on my Gravely, because that's why I sharpened it. As I said, I'm probably gonna start cutting tomorrow, so want to make sure the blades are nice and sharp. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So that's pretty much what's going on with me, people. I'm ready to go. Definitely gonna be recording tomorrow. Tomorrow after the Tipsy Talk, y'all probably will see me changing the blades on my Gravely. I think I've shown you me changing the blades on the Gravely using the Jungle Gym jack. We're just gonna post another video for that. That'll be Friday. The next week, that's when y'all start to see the good old footage of me cutting. Man, I was having a little bit of anxiety a couple of weeks ago. But that has died away. I was having anxiety, like, you know, oh man, will I get too much calls? Will be too much work coming in? And then I looked at my bank account and I'm like, bring it on. I'm ready to go. So, time to make this money, people. Anywho, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.